Hey guys, this is Michelle Morris, Independent Scentsy Director for hashtag Follow Your Arrow. I wanted to show you how to open up your business page, and that will be done here on the desktop. Now it's a little bit different on your phone. If you have questions about that, we can go through that as well, but we're going to do it here on the desktop, and this is just my regular, the front of my Facebook. To the left here I have all of these different shortcuts. I'm going to click Pages, and then up here just click Create Page. Local business is what we're going to use. So our page name needs to be our first and last name, Independent Scentsy Consultant. That is the only thing that we are allowed to use. We can't use anything catchy or fun or cute, just real plain and simple. So oops, can't spell Scentsy tonight. Usually we do home decor for this, and I am not going to put that information in. So we'll just click Get Started. And that is it. It is that simple. You can go in here, you can add your profile picture, you can add a cover, all sorts of different things. And this is just a place where you're going to be able to launch events from, you can boost posts from, which is really cool, and I'll do a video on that later. But yeah, it's really that simple, and it's fully customizable. You can even add products to this page if you wanted. So hopefully that helps you a little bit, and that's all for now. Bye-bye.